This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Vernon Mimms. Nice 3-bedroom 2-bath home in a quiet cul-de-sac. Home features a large living room with a gas-burning log fireplace. Kitchen and dining room are open to the living room. Kitchen has a counter for breakfast. Separate from the 2 extra bedrooms, the master features a generous size with backyard-facing window and a nice bath. Newly installed bathroom tile and large closets. For more information, review the details below or contact Vernon Mimms at 469-523-1864.